All right, I want to talk a little bit more about open houses. If you hate them, I encourage you to have positive feelings about them because they really, really can be great. It doesn't happen by accident. You have to do work. Today, I want to talk about door knocking. Very, very controversial. Very, very controversial because we don't really live in a society or have a culture where it's okay to randomly knock on someone's door or ring a doorbell and talk to them, especially as a stranger. And I think especially in Florida, it's a really bad life choice. I do not suggest you ring anyone's doorbell or knock on their door when you're door knocking. What I do suggest you do is you invest in one of two things. Clear plastic door hanger bags from Amazon. You can get 100 for like $10 or $11. And in that, you put a postcard or a flyer about your open house. You include a neighbor-only event in it. With that, let's just say, like I said in my last video, from 12 to 12:30 is only for neighbors. You be sure and capture their information, and even better, you have a giveaway, a prize, a raffle. Even better than that is you have a sponsor for your open house, so you're not paying for food and drink or the gift card. It comes from somebody else, and they have to register, as in sign in order to be eligible for the gift card. It is the easiest and best way to capture their information because they have to give you something to get something. I have never, ever had somebody say no to signing in when they find out that there is a gift card giveaway. So with that, after you have their information, I suggest you send them a handwritten card, like writing with a pen and paper, or a note card. You can get them at the dollar store. You can get them at Target for super cheap. Make them cute, make them customized to you. Pay extra money and have them made to you. Write them a card and then follow up with them with an email, with a home value or a thank you, but you got to stay on top of them. Put them on a 36-point drip campaign to ensure that you are staying on top of them as much as you can, providing value, but not being a crazy stalker. For more information on what to do with your open house leads, don't hesitate to reach out.